Union Minister for Culture and Tourism Prahlad Singh Patel inaugurates two-day cultural cum literary meet 2019 of Manipur University of Culture. And Medellin Health Tech and Consultancy Services Private Limited claims to be Manipur's first air ambulance service provider. Kurumjari, good afternoon. You're watching Thursday Afternoon News on Impact TV. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari with you. Our top story this afternoon: Union Minister of State Independent in charge for Culture and Tourism, Prahlad Singh Patel, inaugurated two-day cultural cum literary meet 2019 of Manipur University of Culture today. Manipur University of Culture organized the event named INNAT at Manipur State Film Development Society MSFDS Auditorium in Palace Compound. Speaking at the event, Prahlad Singh Patel lauded Manipur for its richness in unique art and culture. He maintained that unlike other states, Manipur has all the unique art forms like traditional dances, songs, martial arts, etc. The Union Minister stressed the need to improve the infrastructure of the one and only Manipur University of Culture of the state to aid in preserving the unique art and culture of the state for generations to come. Assuring of all possible assistance from the centre, Union Minister Prahlad Singh Patel called upon people to join efforts in developing the university.
ऐसी कोई चीज नहीं है जो आपके पास ना हो। वेशभूषा आपके पास में है, वेशभूषाओं के प्रकार आपके पास में है, नृत्यों के प्रकार आपके पास में है, एक ही राज्य में। और इसलिए मुझे लगता है कि आप बेहद धनी राज्य के लोग हैं, जहां पर उन सब चीजों को लगातार संजो कर रखना चाहिए था, ताकि आने वाली पीढ़ी भी उसको आगे बढ़ाने का काम करे। उसके लिए मुझे लगता है कि विश्वविद्यालय से ज्यादा अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं हो सकता। लेकिन एक बात को मैं जरूर आप सबके सामने आश्वस्त करता हूं कि राज्य और केंद्र मिलकर जो आपकी क्षमता है, हम देना भी चाहें तो राज्य सरकार उतना अंशदान दे पाएगी, मुझे लगता नहीं। हमें मिलकर इस इंस्टीट्यूशन को खड़ा करना चाहिए। ये संकल्प हम आज तय करें कि हमारे पास में एक अच्छा भवन हो, आने वाले बच्चे जब वहाँ पर डिग्रियां हासिल करें तो उस कैंपस में आने में गर्व महसूस करें।
Taking part in the event, Art and Culture Minister Langpo Lakpam Jayant Kumar asserted that only art and culture can unite communities residing in the state, stating that the state government has already apprised the centre to sanction projects for improving the infrastructure of Manipur University of Culture. Minister Jayant Kumar assured that construction of the university will begin before the end of this year. The Art and Culture Minister also mentioned that necessary assent for the same has been acquired from the First Department and appealed to the public for their cooperation. Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar, ministers, MLAs and dignitaries attended the event.
At one time, Sukchamkil University in Sanavaki, Pishambapum, Achova, Matu Pirapana, I would do to be in the Sutomati. I don't just to go ahead, Aquila Matugi, Achoba Chankama, P and Nova Habaki, Shamsare and Habitu, Anjin Manuva Sare to Weather Manasu. So, but it has given us the green signal just to go ahead with the construction of this building. What to say, Machin Saro, at an Havagi Matu Ayava to the Bible instruction letter. And we have submitted our project proposal also. The Yam Tuna, Koki Handaki, 2019, Simon the Gakotobung, Amgani Habitazible.
Medellin Health Tech and Consultancy Services Private Limited has claimed to be the first air ambulance service provider in Manipur. The company has also announced to provide free ambulance service in times of natural disasters like earthquake, floods, etc. in the state. The announcement was made at the launching of Medellin Ambulance Service and mobile app at Hotel Classic Grant and Chingmerom today on the occasion of company's third foundation day. Speaking on the occasion, Chairman cum Managing Director of Babina Group of Industries, Dr. Dhabili Thangjam lauded Medellin Health Tech and Consultancy Services Private Limited for all its undertakings. He maintained that the company's home health care service has also greatly benefited the people of Manipur. Speaking on the occasion, Chairman cum Managing Director of Medellin Health Tech and Consultancy Services Private Limited, Dr. M. Dayananda stated that 3 ambulances out of the company's 15 ambulances are well equipped with advanced life support, while the remaining 12 are equipped with basic life support. He also stated that the newly launched Medellin mobile app will provide facilities to get home appointment of doctors and nurses and to book for ambulance services.
ख्वाइदगी अैन थागत चनिंगबदी अखोगी होम सर्विस ने नर्सिंग सर्विस से युमदा दि लैब दरकार लैरबा द हॉस्पिटल याम कुइना सांग लरपदगी अवाबा म्याम मायोगनबदगी युमदा पुथरगा सेवादी दुम दरकार लैबा बदुगुम्बा नाबदा नर्सिंग होम नर्सिंग केयर एट होम से अदुक मतिक मरु है मेडिलेना एयर एम्बुलेंस की मपानी फार्म अम टाइप तोरगा पिरकदौरबा सर्विस सिना मफम सिगिदा लैब म्याम पुनम द काना पिरगनि हेबसे थाजसे
एयर एम्बुलेंस से अखोइना मखलनी लै एयर एम्बुलेंस हरगा अखोइना अखोइगी प्राइवेट जेट ओइना ओइबा एम्बुलेंस अमा नत्रगना अखोइ हौजिक हौजिक लैरिबा इंडियन एयरलाइंस की थ्रूदगी अखोइना स्ट्रेचर सेमगा अखोइ एम्बुलेंस की खुतांगा थाबगे अमा द हाइरिबा अखोइगी प्राइवेट जेट की ओइनादि अखोइ मपानगी कंपनी अमगा अखोइगी एयर रेस्क्यू हाइबा कंपनी में अखोइ कोलैबोरेट तौजरे अखोइगी इंडियन एयरलाइंस की थ्रूदगी चटपगी ओइनादि मेडिलेन अखोइगी इसागी डॉक्टर पुथोगा अखोइना स्ट्रेचर अखोइना एवरीथिंग अखोइना अरेंज तौजरगा थाबा याबगी खुदोंचाबदा अखोइदा हौजिक लैजरे
Manipur Legislative Assembly Museum and Archives held its first Foundation Day celebration at Old Manipur Legislative Assembly building today. Speaking on the occasion, Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker Yumnam Khemjan lamented at the inability to upgrade Manipur Legislative Assembly Museum and Archives to international standard due to financial constraints.
अखोइना 18 October लेप्सप खिबगी मालमसु मणिपुर की इतिहास ता इंडिया की पॉलिटिकल हिस्ट्री दा 18 October 1948 ता मणिपुर से भारत की वनी यान अनबा डेमोक्रेसी सपा स्टेट अमा ओइबदु निंजंग ओइना बदु की तुंगी लाकदबा कनोसिनसु मिरोनसिनसु दुकान गनि खलकांदा मसी कोई पुन्ना 18 October लेपखिबनी अदुबो तंगाई फदना जिरोय डेली फेस्टिवल सु तांग तराकनि पांसी कोई असेंबली सेक्रेटरी ना अंगम का स्पॉन्सर तोरगा शिरोय डेली होम दुदा इन प्रोग्राम सिनबदगी तंगाई ऑब्जर्वेशन सी नसियोने तोरसी एन सिंदोपनी
Second Farmers' Convention on Right to Food and Climate Change was held at Lamyan Bashangan in Palace Compound today. Youth Forum for Protection of Human Rights, Environment Conservation Network, People's Platform Secretariat and People's Human Rights of Climate Change jointly organized the event. Speaking on the occasion, convener of Environment Conservation Network, K.H. Rebabati Raman stated that farmers in the state suffer much in times of floods and droughts due to government's failure to frame a policy to protect them in times of such natural calamities. He maintained that farmers in the state are still deprived of various benefits like crop insurance and various other schemes. He mentioned that farmers who do not own their own paddy fields suffer even more in such situation. K.H. Rebati stressed on the need for proper and effective utilization of various projects like the Loktak project, Ithai Baraj, Mapitel Dam, Dolai Thabi Dam for the welfare of farmers. Experts from CSIR, CAU, ICAR and the Agriculture Department gave their resourceful insights at the meet.
Manipur की लौमी सिंगजिदी चामद मरफू की मथक्तदी लौ सालग उजबना अयामनी अदुना मागी क्रॉप इंश्योरेंस पीगे लौ हाइरगजु मागी पता पुरो दगी लौ की दुगी मरु एबा डॉक्यूमेंट पुरो हाइबा कांदा लौमी गा मागी लौपू दुगा दुम खरा चयन खरा लेबदगी अयामना क्रॉप इंश्योरेंस अदुम फंगदबना अयाम ओइबा अदुना आइगोना अगोगी पालिबा सरकार से आइगोना हाइजनिंगबदी पॉलिसी में सिंबिरगे लौ सालग उजरिबा ओइ चही क्या उदलाइबा लौमी सिंगजरा मागी क्रॉप इंश्योरेंस पीपीपी पॉलिसी अमा सेमनिंगबा अदुना सरकारना पीगने हाय थम्बिरिबा स्कीम सिंगजे पीबीदुना लौमी प्रजाब जोखपदा मतेंग पांगपिउ हाइजनिंगबनी.
The Department of Horticulture and Soil Conservation distributed vegetable seeds under Mission for Integrated Development of Horticulture, that is MIDH 2019-20 to farmers at Kongampat Farmers Training Hall today. Speaking at the event, Forest and Environment Minister Thangnaujam Shyamkumar urged farmers to cultivate the habit of stocking of annual crop sheets to prevent plights associated with non-availability of seeds for cultivation and to save expenses incurred in buying the seeds. Vegetable seeds were distributed to selected farmers and to those who have registered themselves at the Horticulture Department on the occasion.
कोई थाई नगी अलमन सिंह ना कोई फौदी थमदर में नोमई कोई के ना अदु थमदबा अदुना अरीब मरुदगी अनो मयोन सोंग वाखन से लोइम काउंड हाइतार लौ इंकोन फजना उबा हित्रबा इंकोन फजना कोइबा हित्रबा मयुमदा लई थानिंद्रबा यनखा लुखादा नाना थमिंद्रबा मरु मरा निथिना थानिंद्रबा युमदो कोई फरंग खुंजाइना कांग खुंजाइ युमान ओइद्रिने अदुना कोई युम ममा लमदम ममा सखरपसि इसागी स्टेट इसागी इंखोल इखागी इमुंग मनुंग यनखा लुंगा इंखोल अकोब मैम सिंह मतम की मही मरों हैपा लेपा निंथीजना थाब ngमनबा अदुगी मैम पॉलिटिकल डिपार्टमेंट की ऑफिसर तौदन लाई तौरी हेना मैम तानरगा प्रजा मैम सपोर्ट तौ.
It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Jiribam police team confiscated heroin powder worth 12 lakh rupees in the local market. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Thursday Afternoon News. A team of Jiribam District Police has seized 120 grams of heroin powder worth around 12 lakh rupees in the local market. The team, including 2 women constables under the supervision of Jiribam District Police Additional SP Operation AK Sadananda MPS, carried out frisking operations at Foreigner Checkpost FCP Gate in Jiribam District at around 4 p.m. yesterday and confiscated the drugs from the 2 women travelling in a passenger vehicle. The drug peddlers are 31-year-old Sahina Sheikh Elias Bema, wife of Abdul Noor from Kwakta Ward number 7 in Bishnupur district, and 20-year-old Fundre Mayum Farana, wife of Muhammad Sahadat Ali from Hatta Wangkai Khunau in Imphal East district. Jiribam police station has registered a case against the miscreants for further legal actions. Social worker T. Samuel unveiled a monolith to commemorate the 100th anniversary of Anglo-Kuki War at HB Baicham village in Churatanpur district today. Speaking at the event, T. Samuel stated that the monolith is dedicated to those brave hearts who sacrificed their lives in the Anglo-Kuki War from 1917 to 19. Many people in the area, including students, attended the event. Now the sports news. All India Tennis Association AITA Under-16 Boys and Girls Tennis Super Series concluded today. In today's Under-16 Boys single final match played at the tennis court of Officers Club in Lamphal, Bhushan Haubam defeated Biki Sagolsem by 7-5, 7-6, 7-5, while in doubles final match, duo Bhushan Haubam and Biki Sagolsem thrashed Shankar Haishnam and Neela Jokleshkar by 6-0 and 6-2. In under-16 girls single final match, Bedaraju Parapuran dropped Justina Borgohen by 6-2 and 6-1. While in double final match, duo Bedaraju Parapuran and I Kanumuri beat Tanushka Patar and Justina Borgohen by 6-1 and 6-0. Imphal West DC and Praveen IAS and many eminent members of Manipur Tennis Association took part in the valedictory event. Winners of the championship were also felicitated with gifts on the occasion. Altogether, 18 boys and 17 girls tennis players from across the country participated in the championship organized by Manipur Tennis Association under the aegis of All India Tennis Association. Ace Indian shuttler Saina Nehwal crashed out the Denmark Badminton Open at Odense today after losing to Japan's Sayaka Takahashi in women's single. Samir Verma, however, crossed the first hurdle in the men's single when he beat Kanta Tsuneyama of Japan by 21-11, 21-11 to advance to the second round. The Indian mixed double pair of Pranav Jerry Chopra and N. Sikki Reddy was also made it to the second round with a 21-16, 21-11 win over the German duo of Marvin Seidel and Linda Effler. In another mixed double first round match, Sadvik Sairaj Ranki Reddy and Ashwini Paunappa did not take the court and conceded a work over to the second-seeded Chinese pair of Wang Yi-liu and Huang Dong-ping. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Union Minister for Culture and Tourism Prahlad Singh Patel inaugurates the two-day cultural cum literary meet 2019 of Manipur University of Culture. And Medellin Health Tech and Consultancy Services Private Limited claims to be the Manipur's first air ambulance service provider.